This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump box on a car. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are turned off and in park or neutral. It's crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect against potential battery acid. Before you begin, confirm your jump box is fully charged and ready for use. Identifying the positive and negative terminals on your car battery is the next important step. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Attach the red, positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead car's battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of your jump box. Next, connect the black, negative clamp to the negative terminal of the jump box. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block of the dead car, ensuring it's away from the battery itself. With the cables securely connected, allow the jump box to charge the dead battery for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the battery a chance to regain some power. After this waiting period, attempt to start your car. If it doesn't immediately turn over, wait another few minutes before trying again. Remember, avoid cranking the engine for more than 5 seconds at a time to prevent any potential damage. Congratulations, your car is running. Now, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, disconnect the other black clamp from the jump box. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the jump box. Finally, disconnect the remaining red clamp from your car's battery. Allow your car to run for at least 15 minutes to ensure the battery recharges sufficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.